We put together this quick video to show you how to use our design studio to create the right look for your event or your organization. So to begin, let's share with you how to use the design templates and the clip art. So we have thousands of designs that are professional, and these are all keyword searchable. So you can search by category, or you can just type in a keyword. So I'm just going to type in soccer and hit enter on my keyboard, and that's going to go ahead and search for all of the designs that are related to my search, like soccer. So with these design templates, what you can do is just click on them, and that's going to load it onto the design canvas on the right-hand side, whatever product that you've selected. Now I'll also point out that not only are the design templates and the clip art searchable, but so are the products. Now make sure to check out our products. We have a pretty large range of different items, so make sure to browse there to find the right product for your event as well. Now on the right-hand side, you'll notice product color. So in the event that a product has more than one color style available, you can go ahead and click on that style and update that live right in the Design Studio. Now let's talk about editing and personalizing these design templates. What I could do is click on an element. So I've just clicked on the top text which says school name. What I'm going to do is just customize that. So I'm going to type in Hillcrest. Now you'll see as soon as I type that in, it's going to update live in real time right in the design canvas. Now there's a number of things I can do. I can change the color. I can change the style of font being used. So using all of these controls here, sort of working top to bottom, I'll make all these adjustments and changes. I can do things like add an outline. I can choose the color of the outline around the text. I can even do things like choose sort of a shape, an arch effect or an envelope, using all of these controls here. Now let's say that you make a mistake or you want to go back in time. We do have undo and redo buttons here. You'll notice where my mouse is hovering right below the upload image button. So this is going to let you go back in time and correct any errors or mistakes that you may have made. Now since we're talking about the the upload image button, this is your ability to upload your own graphics right inside of the Design Studio. So think about it this way, take a design template, and if I delete this soccer ball that's inside of that design template, I could upload a custom graphic like a band logo, and I can really create a cool theme around a piece of artwork that I upload. So I'm going to click the back button here to reintroduce my soccer ball. Now all of these elements can be recolored, so let's say I want to change the background and add red into my background. You can see how easy it is to do that just by selecting the element, making changes. Now let's talk about a few other important things. I'm going to click the Select All button. That's going to select all of the elements that are in my design, and that's going to allow me to move all of those elements at once. So whether it's changing the size, I can use these little controls here on the corners, and I can control the size, and I can even reposition this. So let's say I want this on the left portion of the shirt or the right portion of the shirt. I can just move this dynamically and it's going to update in real time. Now a few other important things. You'll notice here there's an option that says My Art. And if I click that, it's going to prompt you to sign in to an existing account, or if this is your first time visiting our website, feel free to create a free account. This is going to allow you to save unlimited designs that you create inside of our Design Studio, and those are going to be made available when you revisit our website. So it takes a second to create a free account here, and again that's going to allow you to store all of your artwork in your very own account to retrieve it later. So you'll notice you can also add notes to our production and to our team. So if there's any special considerations, please make, or any special requests, please make note of that, and that will allow our team to make sure that we get your print perfect. Now you also have the ability to email a design by clicking the Email Design button. This is a great way to share concepts and ideas with friends, family, and colleagues, and you can email a concept right from the Design Studio. Now you'll either have to log into an existing account, or again you can create a new account in order to use this feature. Lastly, when I'm ready to move on, I can go ahead and save my design, and then I'm going to click Add to Cart. And I click Add to Cart, you can either sign in with your existing account, you can create a new account, or of course you can check out as a guest. Now if you check out as a guest, you're not going to have the opportunity to save your artwork, so be aware of that. So if I click check out with a guest, here I can go ahead and give my design a name. That way I can access it in the future. If you do decide to create an account inside of the shopping cart, you'll have one more opportunity to create an account. And I can go ahead and save template, and I can move right on to the shopping cart to complete my transaction. Now if you have any questions or you need assistance, make sure to reach out to us. We'd be glad to answer questions and give you any help that you may need.